To learn more about macro scripts, we'll now create a simple macro script that we can use to plant trees into our scene. We'll go step by step, and hopefully the end result will be a script where we can nicely control the trees and their position. I'll introduce several new programming concepts in this part of the DVD as we go forward with the example. We will learn about macro scripts in more detail, by name, object access and path names, class definitions and property inheritance, function definitions, for cycles, and if-then-else conditional statements. So let's start with path names. We'll create a simple macro script that creates boxes for a starter, and we'll just build on that. So being in Max, let's start with a new script. And let's outline this box creating macro script. We have to define that this is a macro script, and its name will be my object creator. The category will be my own scripts. Since this is the first script that's going to be in this category, Max will automatically create this new category as we first evaluate this script. And the script lines that we'll have here, let's be, well, my box equals box, then my box dot name equals my object, then my box height equals 100. Okay, so let's evaluate it now. Going to File, Evaluate All, or you can also press Ctrl E, which just evaluates the whole script just as well. So if you look at the script lines, it should be creating a box here with the box function and put it in the myBox variable, then change a couple of the properties. But instead of having a box in our scene, now that we evaluated this script, it didn't do anything, it just printed a number and an OK in the listener window. Max prints the index number of the given action item, and there's no error messages. In my case, the number was 928, because this was the 928th action item that we installed into the system. This number is probably different for you, don't worry about it. Let's find the script in the Customize panel and place it on the toolbar. Customize user interface. Let's go to the toolbars menu, and let's create a new toolbar named My Scripts. It's an empty toolbar, not having any actions yet. So let's find our own category, which was My Own Scripts. It should be right here. And we have the My Object Creator action item already here in the list. So we just drag and drop it to our new toolbar. So now we have it on the toolbar. I close this Customize panel. And now we can run this script that we had here by pressing this button. And there you go. It creates the box with the My Object name and its height property set to 100. If you go to the Modify panel, we can actually see that it's set to 100. All the other parameters are at the default values because we didn't change those. Now, every time we run the script by pressing the button, the define macro script lines will be run, creating a new box. If you try that, like keep clicking, you see that it looks like there is only one box in the scene that changed its color, but it's actually many boxes just overlapping, and only the latest creation is the one that we can see. If you go to the Select by Name dialog, you can see that there is many boxes with the same name and same properties. So basically all the macro script header gives us, this header here, is the possibility to place the given blocks of script lines onto the interface somehow. If we wanted to change something in the script, we could easily do it. But we have to remember to re-evaluate the script after the change, basically reinstalling it. So before we go along, I'll save what we have already. File, save as. I'll save the script. My object creator.